Most of the time, the shortcut works. You save a minute, you clear the jam, and nobody says anything. But Lockout Tagout shortcuts feel like common sense until they cost a life. The scale of the problem is sobering. In 2023 alone, hazardous energy caused 190 deaths. OSHA estimates that following LOTO procedures correctly could prevent 120 deaths and 50,000 injuries every year. We hear them every day. I'll just reach in while it's running, or the switch is off, that's good enough. But experience doesn't reduce the risk. It only reduces your perception of it. In every fatal case, the task was routine. At Bumble Bee Foods, a coworker unaware someone was inside started an industrial oven. Routine tasks become deadly the moment a shortcut is taken. LOTO fails when procedures are missing, training is generic rather than task-specific, or, most commonly, when the final verification step is skipped. Assumed isolation is not proven isolation. Hazardous energy isn't just electrical. It's hydraulic pressure, pneumatic air, stored mechanical tension, and residual thermal heat. Every single source must be identified, isolated, and verified. Production pressure and the normalization of deviance turn shortcuts into unofficial standards. When a shortcut works once, it feels safer the next time. That is a lethal trap. Good LOTO follows a strict 6-step sequence. The final step, the try start, is the only step that proves the isolation actually worked. It is not optional. We must embed LOTO into routine work and design out opportunities for shortcuts. Every near miss is a warning. Silence teaches the team that the shortcut is acceptable. Speak up. The lock takes 5 minutes. An investigation takes months. A family never fully recovers. Follow the sequence, apply your own lock, and report every near miss. No exceptions. Thank you for your commitment to safety. Let's do it right every single time.